to make it better.
It's true, right?
But hey, maybe it does make it better. We definitely have something to look forward to. Speaking of the rain, though, we're going to take it down to the south. We are actually looking at some severe weather. In fact, we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning in southern Texas. So let's talk about that. This is for Maverick County. It goes until 7:15, so 6:15 Central Time, I will say. You can see that's just over Piedras Negras. It's moving to the east, and you've got hail that's around 1.25 inches with this. So that can be really dangerous, right? You want to be extra careful with that. I always suggest to stay away from the windows because you also have some gusty winds. And what happens with that is sometimes the wind blows the hail at an angle, and that's why it can break through a window and create a dangerous situation. But look at this. You got some very large hail with this, larger than 1/4 in some of these spots. So be very careful. Now, this is tracking off to the east. It is pretty in mind. Be very careful with flooded roads. If you encounter one, don't drive through it. Corpus Christi, likely threat for flash flooding for the rest of today. San Antonio, isolated threat for some minor instances of flash flooding, but just be careful out there. Likely threat for some severe weather. What we are watching is damaging wind and also some large hail. We could see isolated large hail as large as 2.5 inches in diameter. Most of this will be between maybe 1 inch to 1.25 inches, but still we could have some isolated very large hail. We can also see some isolated wind gusts topping 75, 80 miles an hour, which, Craig, if that happens to your home, that can sometimes cause weak tornadic-like damage.
Yeah, no kidding.